understand how drained she is.
Physically, she is here. However, mentally, she is here. Behold the monument to mediocrity. A washing machine, white, bland, a soul-sucking relic. It haunts her each day, leering from the corner, whispering, "I am unremarkable." Well, not for long. Today, she will cover the appliance with a vinyl sticker. Ah, yes, the joy of applying vinyl to a surface not built for joy. Each bubble, each crease, a reminder that life itself is an exercise in futility. Still, persistence, or perhaps sheer spite, prevails. In a fit of exhaustion, she has decided to cloak this abomination in hypnotic black and white swirls that may either enchant or induce migraines, hidden among the patterns. If one dares look closely, lurk bats, woodland creatures, tiny companions for the truly unhinged. Now, what was once an industrial insult to aesthetics has become a whimsical chore machine, a swirling madness where bats take their tea and foxes judge you silently as you wash your undergarments. A triumph, truly. Her apartment remains shoddy, her energy depleted, but at least her washing machine looks fabulous. Don't forget to like, hex, and subscribe.